Good morning, students. So, in the last video, we have seen that the king and queen and everyone was happy with the cat. Okay, because he have eaten all the rats and mice in their palace. Okay, so now let's see what will happen ahead. Okay, I would give great wealth to own this animal, said the queen. So the queen said that I would give great wealth for this animal. Okay. So the captain began bargaining and it was agreed that the king would buy the whole cargo from Mr. Fitzwarren's ship to pay a fine price for it. And for the cat alone, the king paid 10 times the sum again. Okay, so as the queen was interested in buying the cat. Okay, so the captain began bargaining and the deal was fixed. Okay, both were agreed that the king would buy the whole cargo, means he will buy the whole goods which were present on Mr. Fitzwarren's ship. Okay, and he will pay a fine price for all the goods. Okay, and for the cat alone, the king paid 10 times the sum again. So for only the cat, the king paid the 10 times sum. Okay, so it was a very successful voyage. Okay, for the captain, he was very happy because not only he have sold all his goods, but also he had get he had got 10 times sum again. Okay, for just only for that cat. So he was very happy. When the ship came back to the port of London, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels he had brought from Barbary and told him the story of the cat the merchant sent for Dick. So, students, when the ship came back to the port of London, so after trading all the goods, okay, after selling all the goods, captain returned to the port of London. The captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels he had brought from Barbary. So, in return, uh, the king had given him the gold and jewels, okay, and told him the story of the cat the merchant sent for Dick. And the captain told told Mr. Fitzwarren the story of the cat. Okay, he told that what happened in their voyage, okay, and or in the palace to Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, from now on, Dick, he said, we should all call you Mr. Whittington, for you are a rich man. So Mr. Fitzwarren said that from now we should call you Mr. Whittington. Okay, so till now they are only calling Dick by only his first name, Dick. They don't know his last name, okay, surname. So now Mr. Fitzwarren told that we will call you Mr. Whittington, okay, because it suits, okay, for a rich man, okay, because you are a rich man. So because his cat was sold, okay, on the palace, okay, for a large money, for a 10 times of the sum. Okay, so now Dick was a rich man. Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received for the cat. So after that, Mr. Fitzwarren paid him all the money that the captain had received for the cat, because that cat was of Dick. Okay, so he was owner of that cat. So Mr. Fitzwarren had given all the money to Dick. Okay. from this time on, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. Okay, so after that time, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, and he also became a successful merchant. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter Alice, and 3 times he was elected Lord Mayor of London. So he married to Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter Alice. Okay, she was very helpful, very kind. Okay, so she married to her, and he was elected as Lord Mayor of London 3 times. Okay, he was also knighted by the king and became Sir Richard Whittington. Knighted means given a highly honored title. Okay, so he was honored by the king. Okay, and became Sir Richard Whittington. Okay, so students, he married to Alice, daughter of Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, and what was his dream? To become Lord Mayor of London. Okay, and to ride into fine coach. Okay, so he had also become the Lord Mayor of London 3 times, and he was honored by the king, and he became Sir Richard Whittington. He was not only famous, but he was popular too, for he always helped the poor with his money. So students, Dick was very famous, and at the same time he was popular also in people. Why? Because he always helped the poor with his money. So earlier Dick was poor, no? So he experienced the poverty. He knows the importance of money. He knew the importance of money. That's why he always helped the poor. Okay, he always helped the needy people who need money. Okay, he helped the poor people with his money. Sometimes when he was old, he would tell his grandchildren the story of his cat. So after some time, when he will be old, then he would tell his grandchildren the story of him and his cat, and how the bells of London had called him back when he was only a poor boy. Okay, so he will definitely tell story of him and his cat. Okay, and also he tell he he will tell to his grandchildren that how the bells of London had called him back when he was only a poor boy. And what that bells rang? That turn again Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Go back, Whittington. You are a worthy citizen. You are a deserving citizen, and you will be Lord Mayor of the London. So students, these lines had changed the life of Dick. Okay, he had went back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house, and after that he became very rich. Okay, so this story is about that. Okay, you should work hard. Okay, then you will definitely be rich at one day. Okay, thank you.